I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your bullish bit brought to you by BitcoinWell.com, the simplest and quickest way to buy Bitcoin in the US or Canada and get it directly into your own self-custody. Check them out today at the links down below.
For me, I am falling down a Bitcoin art rabbit hole the last year or two, so much so that I actually built a gallery into Timechain Calendar. Asanoa's work is in there. Modiotech's work is in there. Fractal Encrypt, who we mentioned before, it's in there. I'll tell you, what you were just talking about, Ben, is so on point, because I see it from the point of view that Bitcoin is this deeply sophisticated, complex topic. We all know that when people first encounter Bitcoin, they have such the wrong idea and they don't understand it at all. And it takes so much time and energy and an open mind and proof of work to actually learn it and understand it. And to me, the Bitcoin art is a very particular method and angle for not only understanding this stuff, but think of what the artists are doing. They're taking in some cases like literal technical aspects of Bitcoin and revealing them to people, putting in front of your eyes, where you're disarmed in the sense that you're viewing a piece of art and you see beauty and you see form, but in there is Bitcoin itself. I mean, look at this man. He's got this like cipher thing behind him, an ode to cryptography. And we saw that piece of art with the transactions in the block. It's like, this is a very special and effective way of teaching people about Bitcoin and spreading these ideas, because at the end of the day, Bitcoin is a bunch of ideas. And that's what it takes to kind of wrap your head around it, is kind of, digest these ideas. Art is kind of like helping you do that in a very particular way. So I find it incredibly important. And the more of these Bitcoin artists that I discover and the more of this art that I find, I'm experiencing exactly what you were talking about, Ben. Like, this stuff is really incredibly done and really thoughtful. And it's not just slapping a B on it like we would see much more of just, only a few years ago. The whole Bitcoin art world, I feel like, is evolving at lightning speed right now. And it's really incredible to see. If you haven't checked this stuff out, check out the gallery on Timechain Calendar, come to the conferences and go to these art galleries it's now sort of a regular feature of a lot of these conferences to have these art galleries, because I feel like it's a critical perspective.